3 things you must give up to attract what you want using the law of attraction. When you do these 3 things, the things that you desire will manifest into your life much faster. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. I got my new Hawaiian shirt on and I'm feeling good about today. Let's dive right into the video. Number 1, the idea of luck. If you think people have what they want cause they lucky, you gonna be broke for a long time. Seriously though, if you believe that people have what they want in their life because of luck, then basically what you're saying subconsciously is there's no chance for me to get what I want because that person is lucky. So your subconscious hears a statement like that. They're lucky because they're a millionaire. They're lucky because they have their dream house. They're lucky because they have their soulmate. They're lucky because they have a 6-pack or because they have a nice butt, right? Like all of those things. When we say, oh, they're so lucky, oh, you're so lucky, subconsciously, what you're saying is, it's not possible for me to have these things. So your subconscious, doesn't have the ability to rationalize. All it does is receive the commands from your conscious mind. So, you're so lucky, all the people that are rich are so lucky, all the people that have their soulmates are so lucky. What you're really saying subconsciously is, I cannot get that thing, I don't believe I can get that thing. Your subconscious, which is irrespective of emotions and logic, simply says, okay boss, you can't have that thing. Notice how the people who constantly blame things on luck tend to not have what they want in life. And in order to really create anything that we want, we have to believe and take full responsibility for the fact that we alone are the people that can create it. Yeah, there's going to be people that have more resources than you. Maybe they come from people with connections. Maybe they have better genetics and they're just naturally have a speedier metabolism and they look better, or whatever the case may be. But the reality is, whether you want more money, whether you want to attract your soulmate, your dream career, your dream house, there's more money printed every single day. There's over 7 billion people in the world. Your soulmate is out there. There's so many technology pieces that can help you be your ideal health, that can help you build your dream business, i.e. the internet. I just get to sit here and create all of this amazing content that inspires you, and it's turned into a living for me. And I've done that because I didn't say the people that were doing it successfully were lucky. And I hear people tell me I'm lucky all the time. I do not believe in luck. And I invite you to disregard belief in luck too and take full responsibility for the things that you can, will, do, or do not create into your life. Number 2, get rid of the idea that your genes control your life. Right? Genes control our life. And we hear that all the time. My parents' genes, my family genes, my hereditary. We believe that we're not that smart because of our genes. Maybe you're good at math or you're not good at math. You're good at grammar or you're not good at grammar. You can make money or you can't make money. I have a photographic memory, I have an awful memory, right? We have these silly ideas. And I mean, that's not even true anymore. There's a term called epigenetics, which is essentially that you can actually recreate your genes and take control of your genes. But so many people think that they're at effect to the world they were born into. And if you believe that, then what you're doing is, the law of attraction is a secondary law to the law of vibration. The law of vibration simply says that everything has an energy frequency, and the law of attraction says that like attracts like. The energy frequency that you're in dictates what you attract into your life. So when you believe that whatever lot you were handed in life is just the way it's going to be for you, what's your energy? It's definitely not infinite possibilities. It's definitely not the possibilities of all things that you desire to create into your life. And what I invite you to do is disregard that. Disregard that and connect with the truth that you actually are one with everything that you want to create. that we're one with everything in the entire universe. And the only reason that we do not have what we want is the idea of separation, the beliefs, the lacks, the limitations. I was just born with this lot. I was just born with this thing. And when we get rid of that idea and we start to notice, hey, I'm thinking that I'm not good with numbers. I'm thinking that I can't attract much money. I'm thinking this, I'm thinking all of these things because of my parents, because of my grandparents, because of my family history and my ancestry. Just drop it and notice that you alone are the one who can create everything that you want. Number 3, that it always comes fast. What happens is we think that because we watch the movie The Secret, which is a commercialized version of the law of attraction, and it's like tells you can get everything you want instantly. While that happens many times, and I'm somebody who has had many awesome things happen, and I know many of you on this channel have had many things awesome happen quickly. We have videos that talk about it, but it's important to understand that it may not happen every single time. Now, I don't want to place that belief system into you, but if you're going through an experience where you feel like quitting, you're starting to think you're not good enough because it's not happening as fast as you want, you've got to let go of the idea that it needs to happen fast. That's the ego. Wayne Dyer says EGO, edging God out. It's edging God out. It's this part of ourselves that forgets that the universe is perfect and everything manifests on divine timing. Say that with me. The universe is perfect and everything manifests on divine timing. But then our ego says, yeah, but this should happen in 3 months. Yeah, but Billy made the money he wanted. It only took him 6 months, and this has taken me 6 years. You know, Susie got her soulmate in 6 months, and so far it's been 9 months. Nothing's happened for me. Am I not good enough? That's social conditioning. I've got a free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com down below that you can use. I've used it for about 6 years. Whenever you start to think that it's not happening as fast as you want. Because all that is our idea of how the world should be working. And the ultimate sign for immediate suffering and disappointment is to be arguing with what is. And so it may happen tomorrow. It may happen in 2 weeks. But if you really want it, does it matter how long that it takes to happen? Of course, it'd be nice to happen for it to happen fast. But if you truly value it in your life, relax. Enjoy the beauty all around you and know that there's a lot of amazing things on their way. So download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. Press the subscribe button in the corner right over there. And remember, it's not luck. You do control the things that you attract into your life. And if they're not the way that you want, or it's not happening as fast as you want, buckle your seatbelt. Listen to my success hypnosis. Go out, work hard, be unapologetically yourself, and good things will happen.